is electric cars. Electric cars have been a revolutionary idea since they have been launched. Earlier also, the concept of electric cars have been introduced in public, but it wasn't successful. And this was due to the reason the availability of the parts of the electric cars that are an essential components for running them were not available, such as the batteries that are being used or the chargers that are not available. As of now also they are not available, but at that time the availability of chargers were not there. As of now, the electric car market has boomed because of the entrance of a big investment from USA, that is Tesla. They have started manufacturing their cars back in 2017, and now they have succeeded in producing their cars in mass market. Also their cars are accepted in Europe and also in several parts of America. Recently, the President of USA, Donald Trump, has also been promoting Tesla because of his friendship with Elon Musk. And if we look upon the market of electric cars in India, big players like Hyundai, Mahindra and Suzuki have also entered the market. Whereas Tata and Hyundai offering such high-tech cars that also compete with the level of cars that are being manufactured by Tesla. The problem of not availability of electric chargers has also now been solved, and the ranges of cars have also been increased as we see on the history of the electric cars. This motivates other people who are currently using fuel powered cars to shift to electric cars, as they are more efficient as compared to them. They have less carbon emission and also they are environmental friendly, although they have their negative points as well, as the production of the electric car batteries require lithium, which is not very easy to extract, but still they are far better than the use of petrol or diesel cars. These cars are becoming popular among youngsters, but a small point that always comes before buying an electric car amongst the youngsters is the sound of the cars. We all are habitual of hearing the thrust and the sound of the exhaust that we hear when we give race to a petrol car. The sound of the exhaust is missing in the electric car, which makes a person feel like he is driving something that is very different. Like it's not acceptable for many to adapt to that feeling. But soon that would also be inculcated in everyone, and the market of electric cars would surely boom much because they are more efficient than petrol cars.